can't wait to get on camera now.
Got these coffee cups.
Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. Christmas in my heart.
Hello. Happy Vlogmas Day 18. So I'm out and about at the Walmart, as you can tell. Getting some last minute little gifts for my team. Just some small tokens of appreciation. Not much of a selection. I went to Walmart last night. Why do different Walmarts have different selections and different quality of items? Like, I remember that like a week or so ago, I came to this Walmart with my mom and my goddaughter, and I remembered all the stuff that they had. But I went to a Walmart that was closer to my house last night, and they have junk in there. So I had to get up this morning and drive. You know, I think I stopped. But I'm gonna show you what I got. So I have these coffee cups, Girly hot chocolate, and I got everybody blankets. This is something cute, cozy, something for the holiday season. And then we'll put it all together in a bag when I get home. And I'm also going to get some stuff for the games. I already have those at home. So yeah, we're going to put the bags together. I'm trying to figure out what else I could throw in there. I got some gift bags from over here. Everything in. Alright, made it back home. I've changed my clothes. I'll show y'all what I'm wearing in a minute, but let's get these bags ready real quick because I gotta go. I'm gonna just spread the bags out first. have 2 guys, so I'll put their, I got them blue blankets, blue throws for their blue bed. And I'm also getting them lunch. Then we're gonna play some games and just, you know, they did Secret Santa. So they'll exchange their gifts as well. Yeah. So that's that. Oh. I just wanted to do something cute and thoughtful. It's a whole lot of them. Like normally I only have maybe 9 or 10, but this time I got 12. So that ups the ante a bit. You gotta get creative so it's not super pricey. Okay, so then the hot cocoa cups. And these are cute. I love them. I have these actually on my hot cocoa bar. So I was excited to see that they still had these. I found them on a top shelf. I was able to get her to grab them down. So I can actually use this for something. I figure I would. That was almost a travesty. Okay. And then I go back and add the Girly's hot chocolate to them. I wanted to do like little tumblers, but those are sold out. So all in all, these gifts probably cost, let's see, the bags were like $2 and some change. So that's $2.50 plus the blankets was like $6 plus the cups. They were like $13 for 4, so that's like maybe $3.50. And Girly's chocolate was like $2 and some change, so it was like plus $2.50. So that was like maybe $15, $16 each. So I feel like I did good. What do you think? For 12, I mean, I had to be resourceful. What time is it? 11:30. Okay. I feel like I'm doing good. Oh, and the tissue paper. I don't know how much that cost. I think that was like $6. So maybe like $19 for that. Okay, the food is ready, so I'm about to go pick that up. Oh. Hey, beautiful.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Oh, you can't wait to get on camera now. Perfect time you can help me load up the car. How you feeling? You like it? Oh, you trying not to help me load up the car? Put the camera back like it was.
How was it? Like this?
No, it was more towards this way. I do need you to help me load up the car, though.
Okay.
Help me put this stuff in here.
Yes, I love it. I love the color.
Let me see the, maybe I'll have to put some, well, I started to text you and tell you to have her put, just to pin the curls up and leave them. But I was like, it's probably too late. I thought about that when I had just got home, and that was like probably about 15 minutes ago. Yeah. All right, outfit of the day. This is as festive as it's gonna get. Two-piece from, I want to say this came from Lovely Wholesale years ago. But yeah. And then I got on my UGG slides. Jean jacket from Shein. And I just got on my dupe bag. Yeah, cute outfit. I gotta get out the house, y'all. Okay, so I got the Chinese food. My car is loaded. But yeah, it's just like a pan of chicken and a pan of rice. And then from Walmart, I got a fruit tray. I got a cheese and meat tray. I got cookies and treats and stuff like that. And candy, and that should be good. You know, I ain't trying to, pack it down because it's at the beginning of the, the work day. So they still got to finish the work day. I ain't trying to, make them super sleepy. But just wanted to, do a little something to show how much I appreciate.
And stop sperm parting me because you broke.
This top is actually a sweater, a wraparound sweater that came from Fashion Nova. Shorts came from Temu. Haul coming soon. These are tights from Tor. Boots that I got from Poshmark. Really cute, y'all. Oh, I made it home. Look like I've been fighting. But I had a really good time. I'm a little sleepy. I'm a little tipsy. But everything turned out well. Everything turned out really good, actually. Today was it's a busy and hectic day. And it's only just, this weekend is just only going to be busy and hectic as well. My employees, they were super appreciative of the gifts. They had a good time as far as the little celebration or the gift exchange that we had. They loved the gifts. They got me a gift, but I'll unbox the gift when I do what I got for Christmas. I'll unbox that then. But I love my gift. I'm just appreciative of the time that I'm able to spend with people and pour into people. Even when it's something that I don't necessarily have to do, I enjoy doing it. And then I enjoyed going to my work Christmas party as well. Everything got pretty hectic. I was going to do a get ready with me. Yeah, everything just got super hectic. And so I didn't get a chance to film the get ready with me. So, but it's okay, y'all. I just posted a get ready with me, earlier this week or last week. It's okay. I'll do one tomorrow because Lana's having her birthday dinner for her birthday. I said that. Yeah, gotta excuse me, I'm a bit tipsy. But yeah, I had a good day overall. So it's the tipsiness in conjunction with the tiredness. I'm very tired. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for hanging with me on Vlogmas Day 18. Like, this is real raw, uncut. Well, I mean, it is kind of cut, but yeah. She in there singing. I love my makeup today. I love the way my hair came out, even though my curls kind of feel. It's raining. I love the way my outfit turned out. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for hanging with me, coming along with me for my shenanigans. Stay tuned. Vlogmas is about to be over, and I can't believe it. If I keep talking about it, I'm gonna cry. Cause like, what is Vlogmas doing over? Like, these days really just passed by. Like, nobody's business. And that's so crazy. Time is really passing by. I'm gonna go to bed, y'all. But I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for your love and thank y'all for your support. If no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. Like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you drop down in those comments. Have y'all gone to an office party? Have y'all made some little gifts or some little Burr bags like I made? Let me know down in the comments. Have y'all been tipsy this season like me? Let me know that down in the comments as well. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next Vlogmas video. Love you guys. Bye.